Getting NetSuite data in and out of Microsoft Excel can be a painful and manual process. Tasks like uploading large or small amounts of data into NetSuite means managing a multitude of CSV files, slowing down achieving your business goals. With CloudExtend's ExtendInsights, your team can combine, organize, and visualize NetSuite data in Excel in real time. CloudExtend's ExtendInsights is the leading Excel integration app for NetSuite, eliminating the need for manual import, export, and reporting. Create new records, update existing NetSuite data directly from Excel, even update thousands of records at once with burst mode. See and run your NetSuite save searches directly in Excel. Multiple save searches can be combined to build insightful reports and dashboards. By combining NetSuite save searches with the power and flexibility of Excel ExtendInsights, provide real-time visibility into valuable reporting insights for better business decision-making. Analyze and visualize your data in Excel and Power BI. Automate dashboards and report generation. Incorporate complex Excel models or formulas. Make faster business decisions based on the most accurate information sourced directly from NetSuite. Business users love CloudExtend for its ease of use and support in getting more done in far less time, allowing them to exceed their deadlines while working from anywhere. IT users love CloudExtend for its ease of deployment, enhanced support, and enterprise user management platform. See for yourself today with a free trial. ExtendInsights by CloudExtend. Install in seconds. See immediate business value. Integrate, automate, extend.